This is the second page of our 1.5 notes. We're going to talk about inequalities. Inequalities are the alligator mouse that tell us less than, greater than, that kind of stuff. So we're going to learn the words that go with it. Less than, it'll say less than, and we use that symbol. Greater than, we'll say greater than, and it uses that symbol. Less than or equal to, it'll look like that with the line under it. Sometimes the words will say less than or equal to. Sometimes you will see the words at the most, no more than, or maximum. All right, so copy all that down in the box. At the most, no more than, maximum. Sorry, it looks like a serial killer wrote it. All right. Greater than or equal to goes that way. And the words that also mean greater than or equal to will be at least, no less than, or minimum. So pause it and copy those words down too. All right, we're going to do 17 through 26 as examples together. So a number, I'm going to use X today, is less than negative 10. Well, the less than symbol, negative 10. These are pretty easy, a lot easier than the ones we were doing yesterday. A number, X, is less than or equal to. Well, I just use the less than or equal to 8. Sorry. A number is greater than or equal to negative 4. A number is greater than or equal to negative 4. A number is at most. Well, we wrote that up there in the less than or equal to sign, so that's what we know it is. A speed limit of 55 miles per hour. When we have a speed limit, we know that means we're allowed to drive 50, so a speed limit, we know we're allowed to drive 55, or we have to be less, right? Less than 55, so we'd have to use less than or equal to 55. A number at least 16. A number at least is the greater than or equal to 16. A number is less than 10. Is no less than 10. So a number, we use the greater than or equal to 10. A number is no more than 26. A number no more than 26. So this is pretty easy as long as you've written those extra words up there, you just match it. A maximum number of 25. Maximum is less than or equal to 25. Minimum number of 5. Well, minimum is greater than or equal to 5. All right, when you have all this copied down, flip over to the next page. And on this page, I need you to do 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do those 8, and then there's some IXLs posted in Google Classroom that you need to do for today also. Thank you. Send me a copy when you're done.